I am Rishita Srivastav of class 5E, and I have made a model of food pyramid to depict that we have to we have to eat what component of food in what quantity. So the component we should eat the most is the carbohydrate component, which contains bread and grains like rice, different types of pulses, wheat, and here we have biscuits. And a yummy pizza is also counted in carbohydrates because the base of the pizza is made of carbohydrates. Then we have here corn and cornflakes. Then there is a component of minerals and vitamins. Minerals contain vegetables like tomato and carrot, brinjal, radish, potatoes, etc. Then we have vitamins which contain lemon, which has vitamin C, and then we have here a banana, apple and blueberries, and we have here grapes. Then there is the section of proteins. We have here meat, and then we have here egg. Now we have milk, and there is curd, and we have here cheese. And a yummy ice cream is also counted in proteins. Now we have here the component we should eat the least, which is the component of fats. So we have in fats we have ghee and oil. We also have here butter. So now let me tell you that how I have made my model out of waste materials. So making the framework means the pyramid I have made out of the box of guitar, which was made of cardboard. Then in the component of fats, the food like ghee, oil and butter are empty packets of these. And in the component of proteins, I have taken empty packets of cheese and dahi, and I have taken empty packet of milk also, in which I have filled foam, and here I have used foam to make egg and meat. Then I have minerals. So in minerals, all the vegetables I have made with foam like tomato, carrot, brinjal and radish I have made with foam. And in vitamins also I have made all the fruits with clay. Now in the component of carbohydrates, I have used the empty packet of bread, and then I have filled cardboard in it, and then I have used a big sack to make small sacks, and then I have used grains for making the upper part. Then I have used empty packets of biscuits and cornflakes also, and then I have filled foam in it. Then to make corn, I have used foam, and then I have checked beads on it, and like this, using waste materials which had to go in dustbins, I have used them to make people aware that what component we should eat in what quantity, so that they are healthy. Now let me tell you the my learning outcomes from this model. So I have learned that the things we eat in daily life, which is called a balanced diet, and what component we should take in what quantity, because taking them in their right quantity makes us healthy. I hope you all like this model. Thank you.